Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're out in Maple Ridge today, working on this sleek white Lincoln MKS right at the client's home. They've got a closed garage, which is perfect for letting the ceramic coating cure after we're done with a full cut polish and coating service. We're all about bringing professional mobile detailing right to you. First up, we've sprayed the vehicle with a thick foam wash, letting it sit for a few minutes to loosen up dirt and grime. Then, we dive in with a careful hand wash using the 2-bucket method to keep the paint free of any new swirl marks. Next, we're onto the clay bar treatment. This step pulls out all the stubborn contaminants, think industrial fallout, or tiny dirt particles stuck to the paint, giving us a super smooth surface to work with. Now, it's time for the single-stage cut polish. We're starting on the hood, using a cutting compound to tackle light scratches and small marks. Watch how the dull spots vanish. Moving to the driver's side doors and fender now. We're working in small sections with a dual-action polisher to ensure even pressure and no holograms. The white paint is starting to pop, crisp, clean, and reflecting everything around it. Over to the passenger side, same careful process. The entire side panel now mirrors the trees outside. That's the kind of clarity we're after. After completing the full cut polish, we move around the rear bumper and trunk, then finish with the roof and pillars. Every panel gets the same attention, no shortcuts. Now it's time to apply the ceramic coating. Here's a look at the first layer going on, thin, even, and crystal clear. It'll cure for 12 to 24 hours in the client's closed garage, safe from dust, moisture, and temperature swings. We're back the next morning for the final wipe down, chrome polishing, and full inspection. Check out this white Lincoln MKS now. The shine is unreal. You can see the client's garage ceiling, tools, and even our reflection perfectly mirrored on the hood and doors. The chrome trim sparkles like new, and the paint feels slick to the touch. If you're in Maple Ridge, Surrey or Langley or nearby and want a single-stage, multi-stage cut and polish, paint correction, or ceramic coating, we can come to you. Book online at mobileautoservice.ca to get your car looking this good. Thanks for watching, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted on the next one.